This video is brought to you by ThePuzzlr.com. The Puzzler Contest. Here are the questions, answers, and some explanations from the Puzzler Elementary Round Contest meant for grades 1 through 5. Number 1. Andrew is cutting a piece of lumber in 4 feet long pieces. 5 cuts were made. How long was the lumber before it was cut? Try drawing a diagram for this picture. The answer. 24 was the correct answer. Confused as to why it's not 20? Here's an explanation. Let's make 5 cuts on this piece of lumber. Each of these cuts is 4 meters. The 5 partitions actually make 6 4-meter blocks, so our answer is 4 times 6 or 24 meters. Let's move on to problem number 2. Number 2, what is the last digit of the result of the following expression? 7 times 2 plus 8 times 6 minus 3 times 93 times 9 times 8. Pause the video for more time. The answer. 0 was the correct answer because 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 and 0 times anything equals 0. Number 3. What is the positive difference between the mean and median of the following numbers? 3, 2, 2, 5, 6, 6, 2, 6, 6, 3, and 3. Pause the video for more time. The answer is 1. The mean of this set is 4 and the median of this set is 3. Thus, our answer is 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Number 4. I have a lucky number called Lukey. When I multiply Lukey by 5, then add 2, then divide by 3 and subtract 4, I get my number back. What is my Lukey number? Pause the video for more time. Lukey is equal to 5. Confused about how to solve this problem? Well, here's an explanation. Let's let Lukey equal x. We can then make a linear equation by applying all the operations stated in the video directly on x and letting that expression equal x. We get 5x plus 2 divided by 3 minus 4, which is equal to x. Solving this equation, which we can do by multiplying both sides by 3, adding 4, subtracting 2, dividing by 5, and steps like that, we would get an answer of Lukey, which is equal to x, would equal the number 5. Let's move on to problem number 5. Ken drove at a constant speed of 60 kilometers an hour without stopping. Exactly 5 p.m., he had traveled 318 kilometers. At what time did he start driving? A. 10:42 a.m., B. 11:42 a.m., C. 12:42 p.m., and D. 1:42 p.m. Pause the video for more time. B is the answer. It takes Ken 5.3 hours, 5 hours and 18 minutes before 5 p.m. is 11:42 p.m. Number 6. What is the first 3-digit palindrome? A. 131, B. 111, C. 121, and D. 101. Pause the video for more time. The answer is D. 101. Don't know what palindromes are? Be sure to watch our video on it to learn about them. Number 7. What is the prime factorization of 81? Pause the video for more time. Three times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81. So that's a prime factorization. If you don't know how to find the prime factorization of a number, just watch our video on it. Number 8. Carlos has $11. Sandy has $22. How many more dollars does Sandy have than Carlos? Pause the video for more time to solve this problem. The answer is $11. We can subtract Carlos's amount from Sandy's amount. $22 minus $11 gives us $11. Number 9. How many total sides do 4 squares have? Pause the video for more time. The answer is 16. Each square has 4 sides and there are 4 squares. 4 times 4 gives us 16 total sides. Number 10. Tim has 9 bills worth $100 each, 9 bills worth $10 each, and 10 coins worth $1 each. How much money in dollars does Tim have? Try adding up each type of bill separately in this problem. Pause the video for more time. He has a total of $1,000. To best solve this problem, let's try adding each type of bill separately. We have 9 $100 bills for a total of $900, 9 $10 bills for a total of $90, and 10 $1 coins for a total of $10. Now we add these three amounts, $900 plus $90 plus $10, to get our total of $1,000. That is our answer. Let's move on to the next problem. Number 11. What is the value of 4 squared? Pause the video for more time. The answer is 16. The 2 in the exponent means to multiply a number by itself. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. Number 12. John is going to his friend's house. He completes the journey in 10 hours. He travels the first half of the journey at the rate of 21 kilometers an hour and the second half at the rate of 24 kilometers an hour. Find the total journey in kilometers. Pause the video for more time to solve this problem. The answer. 224 is the correct answer. To solve this problem, we can set up equations. Let the total distance traveled be 2x. We use the distance equals rate times time formula here. The time taken to complete first half of the journey is equal to x divided by 21, and the time taken to complete the second half of the journey equals x divided by 24. The total time taken is equal to x divided by 21 plus x divided by 24, which is equal to 10 hours, as that's given in the problem. We can solve the above equation to get x equals 112 kilometers, so the total distance traveled is equal to 224 kilometers. Number 13. What is the next palindrome after 1111? Pause the video for more time. The answer is 1221. Palindromes are numbers that are the same forwards and backwards. Be sure to watch our video on it if you don't know what they are. Number 14. The first term of an arithmetic sequence is 4 and the 10th term is 67. What is the common difference? Did you watch our video on arithmetic series? Pause the video for more time to solve this problem. The answer is 7. We know that 4 plus 9n is equal to 67, giving us n equals 7. Confused? Just watch our video on arithmetic series. Number 15. What is the next number in this arithmetic sequence? 1, 3, 5, 7. Pause the video for more time. The next term is 9. The common difference is 2. The last term was 7. The next term is then 7 plus 2, which is equal to 9. Number 16. What is the value of 5 factorial? The factorial of 5. Did you watch our video on factorials? Watch it now if you have not. Pause the video for more time. The answer is 120. N factorial is equal to n times n minus 1 times and so on times 2 times 1. So 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 120. Number 17. What is the least common multiple of 6 and 8? The question here is, did you watch our video on the LCM? The answer is 24. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, and 24, and the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, and 32. Thus, the LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. Number 18. 3rd grade students are going to the pool for a swimming party. There are 125 students that need to get on buses, and each bus holds 48 students. How many buses will the school need? Pause the video for more time. The answer is 3 buses. 2 buses can carry 96 students, but 3 buses can carry 144 students, which is enough. Number 19. What is 4 factorial divided by 0 factorial? So the key thing to note is that 0 factorial is equal to 1. Pause the video for more time to solve this problem. Four factorial divided by 0 factorial equals 24. 4 factorial is equal to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24, and 0 factorial equals 1. 24 divided by 1 gives us our answer of 24. Number 20. How many prime numbers are there less than 100? Did you watch our video on prime factorization? Here are all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. There are 25 yellow squares / prime numbers from 1 to 100 in this chart, so the answer is 25. Number 21. What is the value of 700% plus 70% plus 7%? Round your answer to the nearest whole number. The answer is 8. Let's convert this to decimal. 700% plus 70% plus 7% is equal to 7 plus 0.7 plus 0.07, which gives us 7.77. Rounding that, we get 8, which is the nearest whole number. Number 22. What is the value of 0 divided by 8? Pause the video for more time. The answer is 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. Here we're dividing 0 by 8, so our answer is still just 0. Number 23. Kevin has twice as much money as Sohan. Sohan has 4 nickels and 4 dimes. Kevin only has quarters and nickels and has the same number of each coin. If they trade all their money in for only pennies, how many pennies would they have together? Remember, not all information in the problem needs to be used. They have 180 pennies. Sohan has 60 cents and Kevin has double his money, so 120 cents. 120 plus 60 gives us 180 pennies. Number 24. A palindrome number is a number that reads the same forwards and backwards. 1001 is a palindrome number. What is the difference of the closest palindrome before 1001 and the closest palindrome after 1001? The question here is, did you watch your video on palindromes? $112. The palindrome before is 999 and the palindrome after is 1111. 1111 minus 999 is 112. Number 25. What is 491 divided by 9? Give your answer as a whole number plus a remainder. Remember, remainder needs to be less than 9. The answer is 54 with a remainder of 5 because 419 is equal to 9 times 54 plus 5. Thus, our quotient is 54 and the remainder is 5, giving us our answer. Number 26. What is the equivalent decimal number for 49 thousandths? Remember, you're not allowed to use a calculator. The answer is 0.049. 49 thousandths is equal to 49 times 1,000th, which gives us 49 1,000ths, or 0.049. 27. Evaluate 150 divided by 6 plus 3 times 8 minus 5. The answer is 0. Confused about how to solve this problem? Let's look at an explanation. We can use PEMDAS to solve this problem. If you don't know what that is, be sure to watch our video on it. We get 150 divided by 6 plus 3 times 8 minus 5. And simplifying that, we get 150 divided by 30 minus 5, which is 150 divided by 30, so 5 minus 5, which gives us our answer of 0. Number 28. Two trains start at the same time from two stations and proceed towards each other from speeds 40 miles per hour and 45 miles per hour respectively. When they meet, it is found that one train has traveled 40 miles more than other. Find the distance between the two stations in miles. Pause the video for more time. The answer is 680 miles. We use a clever observation to solve this problem. Let's look at an explanation. Note that the time traveled by each train is the same. The 45 miles per hour train thus travels 5 miles more each hour than both trains travel, so since 45 minus 40 equals 5. Since the 45 miles per hour train traveled 40 miles extra, the trains traveled for 40 divided by 5, or 8 hours. The trains traveled 40 plus 45 equals 85 miles per hour collectively. Thus, in 8 hours, the trains traveled 8 times 85 miles, or 680 miles. This is the distance between the train stations. Number 29. In a car race, two competitors will stop to fill up their fuel tank. The first one does it every 4 seconds and the second one does it every 5 seconds. When the race begins, after how many laps will they meet for the first time at the fuel station, if they travel at the same speed? "20 laps, the LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 20, so both competitors will be at the fuel station at that time. Number 30. Find the value of this expression. The answer is 10. We can find the sum of arithmetic sequences using formulas in our video. And now, the giveaway to win an AoPS gift card. Here's how to enter. To enter the giveaway, comment down below with the number of flying monkeys that you saw in this video. And number 2, fill out the Google form in the description below. One lucky winner will win an AoPS gift card. Winners will be announced at ThePuzzlr.com/giveaway winners. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know by subscribing. Check out ThePuzzlr.com for more important content.